My name is Ramya. I am studying 8th class in FUP School. President of Chennai.
A short monsoon diary. Opposite words. Part 1. First.
Last.
Strange.
Female.
Familiar.
Familiar.
All.
Noun.
All.
None.
Silent.
Noising.
Come.
Go.
Up.
Down.
Perhaps.
Definitely.
Melancholy.
Cheerfulness.
Conceal.
Reveal.
Now.
No. Noise.
Now.
Run.
With.
Without.
Run.
Walk.
Sister.
Brother.
Some.
More.
Genuine.
Bogus.
Warm.
Cool.
Humid.
Airy.
High altitude.
All altitude. Low altitude.
Offered.
Preferred.
Refuse.
Refuse.
Certain.
Uncertain.
Privacy.
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 Publicity.
Asked.
Answer.
Paradise.
Hell.
Hell.
Hell.